Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to see setting up the Twitter account. Here they have said us to implement a program to get the user's string, and then we are going to omit all the vowels and print the thing whatever the user has inputted for us. Very simple program. We can use the for loop for this. So first let us ask the user to enter a string. So input, enter a string. After asking the user to enter a string, what am I going to do is I am going to also have a variable for saving our answer. So answer is equal to, I will make an empty variable. Now I will loop for I in S. So S is a whole string and I is one character at a time. Okay. So now I am going to check if I, irrespective of the cases we are going to do is, right. So for I dot lower I will put in A, comma, E, comma, I, O, U. So all these letters. So if it is available means we need to omit, right? So I am going to do the opposite. So I will write not in. So if these things are not in this I, what I am going to do? I am going to include that particular variable inside my answer. So answer is equal to answer plus I. So I think this you are getting it. And now let us come out of the program and then try to print the answer. So I have written not in because I am going to omit this vowels. Okay. So let us check whether this program is working perfectly. Okay. I will write Shravanti. Yeah. All the things have been eradicated. Now I will just check it with the help of a check command available. Okay. Perfect. Can you see all are the green marks here? Okay, then that's it for today. Bye bye.